Welcome back to my channel, by the way. So now we'll be analyzing our JPY and PS, by the way. So the first one that I have here is our pound JPY. You can see that our JPY is actually bearish, by the way. So let's see our JPY index, by the way. So our JPY index for the week has actually been bearish for a while, which will continue to do so till probably next month. Next month end, before you can actually start seeing some push up. You can see that our JPY is actually bearish and it will continue to do so on our bearish move. So let's see our daily time frame. Our daily time frame, our JPY is actually still bearish, by the way. So any currency related to it, any PS compared to it will actually be bullish, while our JPY will be bearish. Now let's see our pound JPY. Our pound JPY says that our pound will continue to be bullish, by the way. As for today, we would see bullish move. As we can see, just for today we see a bullish move to about 121 pips, which means our price will continue to go higher and higher. Probably we might want to see some retracements before we actually want to take our buy. And if you want to take your buy right now, there is no problem, by the way. You can actually still take your buy. On our 1 hour time frame, you can see that our price has actually retraced. You can see it as our price have pushed up. We see a little bit of retracement before actually pushing up. So that's why I said if you want to take your buy, you can actually take your buy. On our pound JPY, our pound is bullish, which means it will continue to be bullish today, tomorrow, probably next tomorrow. So let's see how it will plays out. On our CAD JPY, as our card is still bullish, by the way, we still continue to be bullish against our JPY, as our JPY is falling rapidly. So is our currency compared to it will actually be going bullish, by the way. So our JPY is actually bearish while our card is bullish, so it will continue to be bullish and so on. So we would want to be taking our buy on our card JPY. On our card JPY, you can see our card JPY is bullish. Our New Zealand too is bullish, but there's one thing that I'm seeing here. I think our price should be able to react here. That if on our daily time frame, by the way, so we should be waiting for retracement. Let's see if our price will come here, retrace, and continue our uptrend movement upward. On our New Zealand JPY, on our 4 hour time frame, let's see if our price will be able to actually come down here, retrace this our area before we actually push down on our 4 hour time frame or on our daily time frame. Our AUDJPY, same thing. Our AUD is bullish against our JPY, but let's say that there will be a little bit of reaction here. If you can see this line here, you can see this is exactly where our price is. So we should be able to see rejection here, a little bit of rejection, by the way. That's why we can see that our price can push down a little bit before we actually see that continuous push up, by the way. So let's see our AUDJPY. It is actually bullish, by the way. We want to be following the trend, which is bullish, and we will be going nothing but bullish move on our AUDJPY. EURJPY too, same thing, which actually be going bullish on it. But let's see if our price will be able to get to this our highest level here before we can actually see maybe retracement. So we will want to be taking our buy straight up to our highest level here before you can say, okay, let's see if there will be some reversal before a huge reversal, by the way, before we actually see that huge push up. So thank you, by the way.